Kakanta ng ibang klase ng genre, kumbaga. Kasi kumbaga yung usual na ginagawa ko is so different from this one.
Yung last question ko para sa inyo tatlo. Meron ba kayong frustration as theater artist? Like halimbawa sa pelikula, frustration ngayon yung ticket, yung presyo ng tickets. Kayo ba ano yung frustration nyo ngayon sa theater community? Or is it the recognition na hindi masyadong kilala ng popular, ng general public? Ano yung mga frustrations?
I think, especially kapag magpe-present ng original work, mahirap at
mahirap siya ipakilala.
Kung paano matatanggap ng audience. Pero maganda kasi yung pagkakagawa ng story and yung music. Kaya I think...
Sheila, by the way, sa certified culture sa koloratura.
Wow!
Ito proudly.
Talaga? Wow!
So, ayun. I think magugustuhan talaga to ng audience dahil sobrang relatable ng story and maganda yung music, maganda yung pagkakasunod ng script.
Kasi I'm really not considered talaga a theater performer. I just do theater productions ever so often. The last production I did was with Tanghalan Obra 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Ibaga. And then before that, 10 years before. So hindi ako ganun kadalas gumawa ng musical. And as a audience member, feeling wala naman. Parang feeling ko parang this is the golden age of theater in the Philippines. Because all the productions are making money. Sold out siya. Ang dami. Diba? And then, ang natutuwa pa ako ngayon sa theater communities, they support each other, they promote each other's works. So nakakatawa. So it's a very good time to be in.
We started it in Ibarra.
Well, yes.
Yeah, 2023 nag-start ng Ibarra.
Yung natutuwa din ako talaga yung pamangkin ko ngayon, mag-theater na din siya next year. Si Samsung from Against.
Ay, sa good-looking pamangkin niya.
Anak ni Nancy.
Ikaw, David.
Frustration. Siguro mag-aanaw sa sinabi ni Sheila. Yung sa frustration so is usually tama. Pagka hindi kilala yung material, like especially original works. Kumbaga, ewan ko kung